Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that could change your financial game in 2024. We're unveiling ***7 secret websites, *** that most people don't know about, but they hold incredible potential for making money online. If you're tired of the same old money-making methods and are ready to explore some unconventional avenues, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll take you through each of these lesser-known platforms, highlighting how they work and the unique opportunities they offer. Whether you're looking to earn a side income or even start a full-time venture, these websites could be your ticket to maximizing your earnings. So grab a notebook and get ready to discover some hidden gems that could help you boost your income in ways you never thought possible. Trust us, you won't want to miss out on these innovative strategies. Let's jump right in and unlock the secrets to financial success in 2024. Website 1. User Testing. User testing is a fantastic platform that allows you to earn money by providing valuable feedback on websites and apps. Signing up is a breeze. Just create an account, complete a quick profile, and you're ready to start testing. Once you're in, you'll receive invitations to test various products, ranging from mobile apps to e-commerce sites. What's great about user testing is its ease of use. Each test typically takes around 20 minutes, and you can earn anywhere from $10 to $60 per test, depending on the complexity. That means you can easily fit this into your schedule, whether you're looking for a side hustle or just some extra cash. Your honest feedback is crucial for companies looking to improve their user experience. By sharing your thoughts, you're helping businesses make informed decisions, which ultimately benefits you as a consumer. So, if you're ready to turn your opinions into earnings, user testing is a perfect place to start. Sign up today and start making money while helping shape the digital world. Website 2. TaskRabbit. TaskRabbit is an incredible platform that connects freelancers with local gigs and tasks, making it a go-to option for anyone looking to earn extra income. Whether you're skilled in cleaning, moving, handyman services, or even assembling furniture, there's a wide variety of tasks available to suit your expertise. One of the best features of TaskRabbit is the flexibility it offers. You can choose tasks that align with your skills and fit your schedule, allowing you to work when it's convenient for you. This means you can take on as many or as few jobs as you like, making it perfect for side hustlers or anyone looking to supplement their income. With TaskRabbit, you can build a reliable source of income by leveraging your skills in your local community. Plus, as you complete more tasks and receive positive reviews, you can increase your earning potential. So, if you're ready to turn your talents into cash, TaskRabbit is the ideal platform to get started. Website 3. Fiverr. Fiverr is a dynamic marketplace where freelancers can offer their services starting at just $5. It's an excellent platform for anyone looking to monetize their skills and expertise. Creating a gig is simple. Just sign up, outline the services you provide, and set your pricing. Whether you're a graphic designer, writer, musician, or digital marketer, there's a place for you on Fiverr. One of the standout features of Fiverr is the potential for scaling your services. As you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your prices and offer premium packages, significantly boosting your earnings over time. Many freelancers have turned their initial $5 gigs into thriving businesses, showcasing the platform's potential. The diversity of services on Fiverr is truly impressive. From logo design and video editing to voiceovers and social media management, the options are endless. This means you can tap into various niches and find what resonates with you. So, if you're ready to showcase your talents and earn money doing what you love, Fiverr is the perfect place to start. Website 4. Swagbucks. Swagbucks is a fantastic platform that allows users to earn money through a variety of activities, including taking surveys, shopping online, and watching videos. It's an easy way to make some extra cash or earn gift cards for your favorite retailers. You can accumulate points, known as SB, by completing these tasks, which can then be redeemed for cash via PayPal or for gift cards to popular stores like Amazon and Starbucks. One of the best aspects of Swagbucks is its user-friendly interface, making it accessible for everyone, regardless of tech savviness. You can easily navigate through the site or app to find tasks that suit your interests and schedule. What's particularly appealing about Swagbucks is the opportunity for passive income. By engaging in simple tasks during your downtime, like watching a few videos or answering surveys, you can earn money without a significant time commitment. So, if you're looking for a straightforward way to boost your income while doing everyday activities, Swagbucks is definitely worth checking out. Before we get into the next topic, I wanted to take a moment to mention I am promoting a course called YouTube Mastery and Monetization. It's an excellent course if you want to learn about YouTube and how to make good money using YouTube. It also teaches how to operate your very own channel, even a faceless channel, like I am doing right now, and you don't have to make videos to be successful on YouTube's platform. There's also a free webinar that goes into detail about the course. I have more information listed in the description below this video for those who may be interested. Now let's continue. Website 5. Rev. Rev is an excellent platform for those looking to earn money through transcription and captioning jobs. If you have a good ear for detail and a knack for typing, you can start earning by transcribing audio files or creating captions for videos. The process is straightforward. Simply sign up, take a quick assessment to showcase your skills, and you'll gain access to a variety of projects. One of the standout features of Rev is the flexibility it offers. You can work from the comfort of your home and choose projects that fit your schedule and interests. Whether you want to take on a few tasks during your lunch break or dive into larger projects on weekends, the choice is yours. As you gain experience and improve your skills, there's potential for steady income. Many freelancers on Rev find that their earnings increase as they take on more complex projects and build a reputation for quality work. So, if you're ready to turn your typing skills into cash, Rev is a fantastic option to explore. Website 6. Etsy. Etsy is a vibrant platform that allows users to sell handmade or vintage items and unique crafts to a global audience. Setting up your own shop on Etsy is a straightforward process. Just create an account, list your products, and you're ready to start selling. With millions of buyers browsing the site, you have the opportunity to reach customers from all over the world. What sets Etsy apart is the emphasis on creativity and uniqueness. Shoppers flock to the platform looking for one-of-a-kind items, so your distinctive products can really stand out. Whether you're crafting jewelry, creating custom artwork, or selling vintage clothing, your creativity is your greatest asset. Additionally, Etsy provides a fantastic opportunity for building a brand and cultivating a loyal customer base. By consistently offering high-quality products and engaging with your customers, you can establish a reputation that keeps buyers coming back. So, if you're passionate about crafting and want to turn your creativity into a thriving business, Etsy is the perfect place to showcase your talents. Website 7. Turo. Turo is an innovative platform that allows car owners to earn money by renting out their personal vehicles to others. If you have a car that you don't use all the time, Turo provides a fantastic opportunity to turn that underutilized asset into a source of passive income. Simply sign up, list your vehicle, and set your rental price. It's that easy. The process of listing your car is straightforward and user-friendly. Through the Turo app, you can manage bookings, communicate with renters, and even set availability based on your schedule. This flexibility means you can rent out your vehicle when it suits you, maximizing your earning potential without disrupting your daily life. By renting out your car, you can generate income that helps offset ownership costs, such as insurance and maintenance. Many users find that Turo not only provides a steady stream of income, but also allows them to meet interesting people along the way. So, if you're looking to make money from your vehicle, Turo is a great platform to explore. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you learned something new or enjoyed the video, and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tutorials on making money online. You can even stay on the channel and watch additional videos that interest you, as we have over 100 to choose from.